Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I will be doing sort of a model collection. And an update of my road system over there, for Trucking Tuesday, even though it's Friday. Thought I'd end the week with a trucking episode. New model, not new, but I just found it again. Garuda, made by Shabak, a Garuda Indonesia 8 Intercontinental. Not sure what this is. Think it might be a Lockheed or something. Yeah, this is made by Anko. Here we have an Airbus A380 made by Majorette. Sorry, that's 1400. That's 1600. 1600. And this is just in home colors. Here we have a Boeing 747-400 in the Boeing livery, made by Matchbox. And here we have an American Airlines 787 Dreamliner. This is made by Majorette, 1600, 1600, 1600. 1400 Grumman Goose, made by Anko. Here we have a, sorry for the broken parts, but a 600 Douglas DC-2 of DHL Airlines, made by Anko. Made by Mighty Wings, as you might have seen in my unboxing, is a YS-11 of the Japanese military, I think. This is 1/600 scale, or I have no idea, I think it's 1/600, and it is made by, sorry for the blurriness, this is made by Mighty Wings. Focus. Here we have, Boeing 737-900, Boeing livery by, what was it made by? It's 1500. It's a bit like Herpa. I'm just going to say it's Herpa for now, even though it's not. It's made by like Herpa's rival for 1500s model. For 1500 models. Teeny little 1/600 Russian bomber plane. Don't know what it is exactly. Here we have a fire and rescue little this guy's made by Micro Machines. Here we have a little Matchbox Cirrus Jet in the scale of magical 1/200 scale. Yeah, this is fire and rescue. We have another Anko 1/600 DC-11, no, DC like 10 or something. This is of, I think it's like Alliance Airlines, even though they didn't operate it. It's weird. Here we have everyone liking my comment right now. That's a bit odd. That I commented on Ben and Sam's Aviation video. Shout out to them. Did I get it right? Well, there's as you saw in my unboxing, obviously, a Eastern Airways A300B, made by Shabak, obviously. A Majorette 1600 Majorette A350-900 of Lufthansa Airways. 1400 Qatar Airways A380 made by Darren. I think this is it's NG, yeah. No, not NG. What is it called? Something. It's a bit like NG, but 1/400 scale Air France Concorde. Thing made by Siku, 1/400 scale. 1400 Qantas A330 made by Darren Qatar Airways 777, 1400 Darren A380 Qatar Airways thing. I think it's Eva Air 747-400 made by Anchor 1600 obviously. There's a big 1400 UPS made by I think it's Darren or something. No, airplane model brand. I have no idea. But yeah, so it's a UPS 747 8 Intercontinental. Right back there, you're gonna see my Herpa A321neo. Just plain colours. And then I got some Lego up there, Lego plane. See up across, we got an Airbus helicopter and a Boeing helicopter. Rescue and police one, I'm not sure of, but the rescue helicopter was made by Siku. Here we have a Siku Eurofighter Typhoon of the Royal Air Force. And here we have a USAF. That's a 1/200 scale little guy, and this is a like 1/72 F-22 Raptor of USAF. And then right back here we have a little Cessna Citation X of Matchbox Skybusters, I think it's 400 1/600 Darren Hawkeye plane. I hit my head again. Million trillion time. Another Matchbox Cirrus Vision jet. This time in just like private colours. And then over there, it's a Blue Angels FA-18 Eagle, FA-18 Super Hornet of Darren. Back there, a Darren bomber thing, B-24 Flying Fortress. There's a little Anchor Chinook. Not sure what all these scales are. I think most of them are 1/400, and then a 1/200, 1/200 helicopter, 1/200 little by Darren Corsair 3 jet. Back there, Matchbox F-11-7, 1/200 obviously. 1/200 little F-14 Eagle or Tomcat or something, little plane that I made. Here we have like a little what's it called? It's a little teeny. Not sure what brand it is. Anchor, sorry. Not Anchor. I think it's Anchor. But little RAF plane. A lot of these are RAFs and USAFs. I'm gonna say Spitfire for now. Little like DC-3 of the USAF, but the same brand, and then a little Corsair down there. That's pretty much all my models. Not all of them, so I think I have missed out on. That's pretty much all of them. Haven't counted them. You can go through and count them all. Yeah, obviously I do have this little thing and then these and that. But over here, here's the quick little update. We have a van going out to Victor Harbour. Truck going out to the city for an operation. And a truck coming back from an operation now at Port Adelaide, coming back. This is getting loaded up to go out to Mount Gambier. Yeah, tractor's doing some farming, and just a quick little update for you of how it's going on. Pretty plain little update. But yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye.